an exciting moment of truth. I've got 2 comic books back from the printer.
Hot off the press, literally.
Yeah. Let's see which one this is. Oh, it looks beautiful. And beautifully packaged too.
Oh wow, in the corners.
Yeah. So there's Ordinary Madness. Beautifully rubber banded up. It's almost a shame to wreck the rubber banding.
That can be the house copy from there.
So yeah, it's folded legal, so it's a little bit wider than other ones. I really like that. Yeah, it's got lots of some new art, some art in different contexts. Get to experience a little bit more of Little Liz. Yeah, I'm super pleased with how it came out. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Thank you, Thing.
So I've got 2 boxes of Ordinary Madness because it's a much thicker book. So we'll see if this is Ordinary Madness or Jagged Edges. So these will initially be on sale at the Graphic Medicine Conference in Chicago that I'm flying out to tomorrow. Oh, and more Ordinary Madness. And then I will be posting out to all the wonderful, wonderful pre-order folks. If you would like to buy them from me in person in Chicago, there is a opportunity to do that on Saturday. Even the scrunched up paper is beautiful. It's such a rich brown.
Looks like the sort of wrapping paper their paper comes in.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, this looks beautiful. Similar gorgeous elastic banding.
That's very striking.
Yeah. I do love this more generous sizing. So Jagged Edges on one side, Canaries in a Cauldron, and the Madness of Writers. So if we read it in this order, we have beautiful, beautiful illustrations by David Lasky with my script. And then if you go in this order, it's me illustrating David's script. Yeah, so...
Ooh, colours are great.
And then with a little bit of resources in the middle, taking action about climate change, taking care of your noggin, yeah, it's a really fun, playful, well, serious and playful book, I would say. Yeah, I'm so excited to have these in my hand. Yeah, the size of them is just, it feels like a much more satisfying handful. Yeah. If you haven't, order some. I encourage you to do so.